Well, let's have a look at this piece of blue and white. What initially looks like willow, but actually isn't full willow pattern. This is Broseley or Two Temples. So there's certain elements of the blue willow pattern, but not all the full elements in here. And if we have a look round on this teacup, nice little vertical scalloped rim, nice inner wall detailing, very early shape. And what elements have we got of blue willow? Well, we've certainly got some temples, we've got some foreground, no picket fencing, however, no boatman on this particular cup, and only 2 characters on the bridge as opposed to the normal 3 for willow, and no swallows or birds. And then on the base we've got the faux Chinese marks, typical of a couple of factories were sort of doing this. It was at a period when Chinese import ware was being taxed or tariffed by the English quite considerably, and there were conflicts globally, which meant it was being produced increasingly by people like Thomas Minton and Spode. So they were putting what looked to the uneducated eye as a Chinese manufacturer's or a factory mark on the base. Well, actually it's totally illegible, just squiggles. Here's the very early saucer plate. We call it a saucer plate because there's no central saucer well in it. Deep walled, as was the design at this era, and we're talking sort of 1810, 1820 through to around 1830 for this piece. Again, Broseley pattern, 2 characters on the bridge, no birds, no boatman, no picket fence in the foreground across it, and moth borders. This is the little moth design. Can you see that? It just looks like a bit of a moth with little antennae coming out the base towards the centre of the plate. Again, a nice scallop trim, faux chinoise marks on the base. A nice set. We get these not that irregularly, to be honest. They tend to be mixed around and not as matched pieces, so we tend to keep them to one side until we can get a really good colour match and design match on the design of the teacup and the saucer plate, so that they are in their original. And I'm confident these are as they were originally supplied back in the 1800s. So a nice set, very nice condition, good clean glaze, no crazing, nice marks, and a very pretty set. Available from us here in the UK on the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll pop a link in the YouTube description taking you through to this particular Broseley teacup and saucer. Thanks for watching.